सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
Namaskaram. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. A very hearty welcome to all of you who are watching us live. UBSA accolades two veteran artists in the field of music and dance for their lifetime contribution to the world of fine arts by felicitating them with the titles Taranga Gana Kalaratna and Taranga Nritya Kalaratna and gems in the field of music and dance respectively. The primary objective behind this is to identify and recognize the years of selfless, dedicated service to the world of arts of these great gurus. Annually, one artist is selected from the dance fraternity and one from the music fraternity, and they are felicitated during our National Youth Festival Taranga. This year, due to the ongoing pandemic, we are unable to have these great gurus join us in the main event due to safety reasons and health reasons, because of which we are truly honored and blessed to be able to come here and accolade them and felicitate them.
Vidwan M.S. Srinivasamurthy sir was born on 8th August 1931 in Mysuru. He is known for his immense contribution to the field of music and a well-known veteran figure in the music circles globally. He has greatly contributed to the world of music and dance with his sincerity and devotion. Initially trained in music by his mother, Srimati Rajamma, he later found his interest in Karnataka Shastriya Sangeeta and pursued learning the flute or the kodalu under the guidance of Karnataka Kalaratna Vidwan M.R. Doraiswamy. At the age of 16, he gave his first flute concert, and this was highly appreciated by his guru and the eminent gathering present therein. After this, there was no looking back. At the age of 22, he started touring and traveling across the globe to stage his concerts. A very versatile persona in himself, Vidwan Srinivasamurthy sir played a very special tune for Bharatanatyam and created a new trend in the dance circles. Not just in Bharatanatyam, he also supported Kuchipudi, Kathak and other dance forms. He has performed alongside various eminent Indian classical musicians as well as dancers. Srinivasamurthy sir is considered as a pride of our nation, and he has performed even in the United Nations organization and has also had his performance telecast in the British Broadcasting Corporation. His flute has been highly appreciated by the President of India too. He is not just an avid performer, he is much sought after as a teacher as well. He has many amazing students under his tutelage, and his pedagogy has led to the rise of eminent artists in this field. For serving the cause of Carnatic music relentlessly and for promoting and encouraging artists across the world, URISE Vedic Sangeet Academy is extremely honored to confer Taranga Gana Kalaratna Vidwan Shri Srinivasamurthy sir.
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬಂದು ನಾವು ಬಹಳ ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಹೇಳಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಮಹೇಶ್ ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ಗೊತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲವು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಬಂದರು. ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ವೇಣು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ರಘುನಂದನ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಶ್ರೀಶಾಂತ್ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ವತ್ ಕಟ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಫ್ಲೂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಚೆಂದಾಗೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಗುರುಗಳು ಎಂ.ಆರ್. ದೊರೆಸ್ವಾಮಿಗಳು ಅಂತ ಅವರ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದದಿಂದ ನನಗೆ ಅನೇಕ ಶಿಷ್ಯರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸದ್ಗತಿ ಕೊಡಲಿ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಜೀವನ ಮಾಡಲಿ, ದೇವರು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸಂಗೀತ ಕೊಡಲಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಜನಕ್ಕೂ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಲಿ, ಅವರ ಭಾಷೆ ಇದ್ದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲವೂ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಆಭಾರಿ.